today let's start with chapter number 4, Introduction to Animation Double C. Right? Adobe Animation CC is professionally a Adobe Flash Professional. It is a powerful media authoring and animation software developed by Adobe ILC. It is widely used by designers, animators, interactive content creators to produce animation, interactive website games, and other multimedia content. It is a part of Adobe Creation Cloud Suite application which includes popular tools जैसे आपका Photoshop हो गया, Illustrator हो गया और Premiere Pro हो गया. It is primarily used for create 2D animation, interactive multimedia content and vector graphs. Right? ये support करता है wide range of animation technique, frame by frame animation, queuing and triggering of character animation. What are the features? ये provide करता है simple tool drawing that allows student to create basic shapes, lines and color. It can create simple animation by drawing on individual frame. It is used for creating 2D animation, interactive multimedia content. It uses vector graphing, which means that artwork and animation are resolution independent and can be scaled without loss of quality. You can export your animation to various formats such as GIF, video, MP4, and interactive HTML. You can add sound effect to your animation to make more engaging. Now starting Adobe, click on start button, choose Adobe Animation CC. Window will appear on the screen. आप देखेंगे like this and you will click the AutoScript 3.0 and you can create new options. Now what are the components? We have menu bar, which is horizontal bar. Check it, that appears on the top of the anime. The most commonly used function and commands include menu bar, जिसमें open, close or share. Tool panel lets you to draw, paint, select and modify the book. स्टेज रेक्टेंगल एरिया जहाँ पे आप ग्राफिक्स कंटेंट को हेल्ड कर सकते हो और क्या क्रिएट कर सकते हो ड्राइंग और एनिमेशन. प्रॉपर्टी पैनल अलाउ यूजर टू व्यू एंड मॉडिफाई द प्रॉपर्टी, राइट, एंड इट प्रोवाइड्स कन्वीनियंट वे टू एडजस्ट एट्रीब्यूट्स, पोजीशन, कलर, टेक्स्ट फॉर्मेटिंग एंड देन वी हैव लेयर्स, helps you to organize artwork in your document. You can draw and edit object on one layer without affecting object on other day. Timeline ऑर्गेनाइज करता है, कंट्रोल करता है कंटेंट को एंड इट इज अरेंज्ड इन नंबर्ड ग्रिड. इट इंडिकेट द करेक्ट फ्रेम व्हिच इज डिस्प्लेड ऑन द स्टेज. देन वी हैव यूजिंग द टूल पैनल. द टूल बार कंटेन्स वेरियस टूल्स फॉर ड्राइंग, सेलेक्टिंग, मॉडिफाइंग ऑब्जेक्ट ऑन द स्टेज. इसमें आपका ब्रश टूल है, सिलेक्शन टूल है, टेक्स्ट टूल, राइट. देन वी हैव Adobe Animation CC दैट प्रोवाइड वैरायटी ऑफ ड्राइंग टूल जो यूजर को अलाउ करता है टू क्रिएट एंड मैनिपुलेट ग्राफिक्स एंड एनिमेशन. Then we have brush tool that used to freehand drawing strokes of various shapes. Paint normal, this is the default painting mode of the brush tool. In paint normal mode, brush tool applies color to the canvas जो कि इस पे बेस्ड होता है आपका brush setting. Now paint fill जिसमें आप brush tool का यूज करके पेंट करते हो एरिया of the existing line. Paint behind जो आप पेंट करते हो behind the existing content of the canvas. Paint selection mode जिसका conjunction with the selection tool. It allows to select the portion of your artwork. इसमें आप क्या करते हैं, पोर्शन ऑफ आर्टवर्क को सेलेक्ट करते हैं. पेंट इंसाइड मोड सिमिलर टू पेंट सिलेक्शन बट इट इज डिफरेंट सिलेक्शन मैथ. नाउ स्टेप्स टू यूज ब्रश टूल. आपको मैं अब स्टेप्स बताऊंगी हाउ यू कैन यूज ब्रश टूल. सो सेलेक्ट द ब्रश टूल फ्रॉम द टूल पैनल. टिपिकली इन प्रॉपर्टी पैनल यू शुड सी द ड्रॉप डाउन मेन्यू और ऑप्शन देखोगे जिसमें आपका पेंटिंग मोड होगा उसको चूज करोगे. You will adjust the settings such as brush type, hardness, उसकी opacity, right? And select the color of your brush stroke. Click on the stage जहाँ से भी आपकी drawing begin होगी and you will hold down the mouse and start drawing your line. Pencil tool is similar to brush tool that provide more precise and vector-based drawing experience. जैसे straightener, modify जिससे आप straight line draw कर सकते हो, आप smooth curve बना सकते हो and draw freehand line with no modification apply. Now the steps to use pencil tool. Select the pencil tool. It often looks a pencil or pen. Before you start drawing, you customize the pencil setting to the match. Select the color of your pencil. Click on the stage where you want to begin drawing. Hold down the mouse button and start drawing your lines or shapes. Now pen tool, which is used to create precise and edible vector marks and shapes. It is often used for creating detailed instructions. रेक्टेंगल आप रेक्टेंगल और राउंडेड रेक्टेंगल्स भी बना सकते हो. यू कैन ड्रॉ परफेक्ट ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप ओवर है. सेलेक्ट द रेक्टेंगल टूल. बिफोर यू ड्रॉ शेप यू कैन कस्टमाइज द शेप. क्लिक ऑन द स्पेसिफिक शेप यू वांट टू ड्रॉ, राइट, एंड क्लिक एंड ड्रैग ऑन द स्टेज टू ड्रॉ योर शेप. लाइन टूल. The line tool allows you to draw a straight line or create a line segments between points. You can control the line thickness. आप line के thickness को क्या कर सकते हो? Control कर सकते हो. Now the steps to use the line tool. Select the line tool from the tool panel and it typically looks like a straight line. वो आपको straight line की तरह दिखाई देगा. Now before you draw a line, you can customize the properties from the property panel. Click on the stage where you want the line to be bigger. And while holding down the mouse button, drag the cursor to the ending point. आप drag करोगे. When you are satisfied with the length and direction of the line, release the mouse button to complete it. Right? Painting bucket tool. The paint bucket tool, it is used for filling enclosed area with color. It is wonderful tool for coloring, used for coloring shape and object. Now the step to use paint bucket tool to and fill an area are: select the paint bucket tool from the tool panel. The paint bucket tool icon often looks like bucket or paint can. Right? Adjust settings such as fill color, fill mode. Click on the color stretch property panel and you can use color platelet or swatches panel to select the color. Right? Text tool, you can add text to your animation using text tool and you can customize the font size, style and color of the text. The steps using text tool, you will select the tool from the tool panel, right? And after selecting the text tool, click anywhere on the canvas. Start typing the text that you want to add to your project. And you can use your keyboard to enter the text and it will appear at the insertion bar. Now eyedropper tools, it lets you to sample colors from existing object on the and making it too easy considered color scheme. Now the steps to use eyedropper tool are: select the eyedropper tool from the tool panel. With eyedropper tool, move the cursor over the canvas. आप cursor को move करोगे over the canvas. You will click on the specific color you want to sample and you will pick up the color where you click. Once you have picked the color, you can use it to the other element in your project, right? Eraser tool, this tool is used for removing eraser area of the object, just like a normal eraser. Eraser mode modifier help to the user to select required eraser. Now eraser normal, in which is present on the stage. Eraser fill, which only fills the line. Select, जिससे आप select कर सकते हो lines को और unselect कर सकते हो, that will not go. Now eraser lines, this mode eraser only fill on which you begin the eraser stop with lines. Then we have selection tool. The selection tool is used to select and manipulate object on the stage. You can move, resize, rotate and skew the selected object. Now lasso tool, which is the selection tool that allows you to create custom shapes by drawing. आप custom shapes create कर सकते हो. The steps to use lasso tool. Select the lasso tool from tool panel. Right? The lasso tool typically looks like freehand drawing. Before lasso tool, आप क्या कर सकते हो? Different options को properties, panel, adjust setting, selection mode का use करके change कर सकते हैं. Click and drag with lasso tool to draw freehand selection around the area of the shape. Now release the mouse button to complete the selection. The area or the shape inside your selection will be highlight. अब देखो कि वो क्या होगा? Highlighting. Now ink bottle tool. The ink bottle tool is used to change the stroke color of the lines and shape. You can use it to apply different stroke colors. आप उसका use कर सकते हो और different stroke colors को क्या कर सकते हो? Apply कर सकते हो. Now the steps of using ink bottle. You have to select brush tool from the tool panel. With the brush tool selected, you can configure the brush setting and what you can do, you can achieve the desired ink like effect. With the brush tool, you will configure that you're liking or you can start drawing ink from your canvas. Click and drag the cursor to draw and you can create smooth line. और आप smooth line भी क्या कर सकते हैं? Draw कर सकते हैं. Now paintbrush tool, this tool is used to apply the color to the inside our shape area. What are the steps? Now select the paintbrush tool from the tool panel. It typically looks like a paintbrush icon. वो आपको paintbrush icon की तरह दिखाई दे. Now we have brush profile. You can select different brush profile to control the shape and size of the brush. Brush size, adjust the brush size to determine the thickness. Choose the color you want to use. भाई brush stroke में आप कौन सा color use करने जाता है वो आप देख सकते हैं. With the paintbrush tool configured you are liking, you can start drawing and painting your canvas. Click and drag the cursor to draw. You can create smooth lines by using stylus or graphics tablet, but you can also achieve good result with a mouse. आप good results भी क्या कर सकते हैं? Achieve कर सकते हैं. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Now let's do the exercise of the chapter. Now, first is fill in the blanks. Dash tool is used to add text to one animation, that is text tool. Dash helps you to organize the artwork in your document. आप artwork को किससे करते हैं? Layers से. Next is dash tool is used to apply color to the inside of the shape, that is paintbrush. Dash tool is used to change stroke color of the lines and shape, that is dash is the rectangular area where you place graphic content while creating your drawing or animation. That is stage. Now write C for true and F for false statement. First is Adobe Animation CC was previously known as Macromedia Flash. It's true. You can add sound effect to animation in Adobe CC. It's true. Color tool is used to fill colors in the creation. It's true. Now polygons are drawn with the polygon tool. It's true. Next is over tool is used to draw lines. It's false. Now take the correct answer. Which type of content in Adobe CC is primarily used for creating? That is interactive multimedia content. Which among the following is tool used to paint shapes? That is brush tool. Which of the following tool is used to create rounded rectangle? That is rectangle. Which file format is export in the Adobe Animation? That is your PNG and JPG. Which is not available option in the pencil tool? Ink. Now answer the following, write in two features. आपको animate CC के दो feature लिखने हैं. What is the various component of the animate CC? Function क्या होता है tool panel का? And you have to state the various options जो आपके razor mode modifier में present होते हैं. And you have to write the purpose of layer. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.